Hey guys, what's up? We're back and we're going to be doing another kayak fishing video because the last one I posted actually did really well. We got like a bunch of views, a bunch of likes, and you guys seem to enjoy it. So we're going to be doing it again. We're going to be fishing a white chatterbait with a white fluke as a trailer and see if we catch anything. And we have like a bunch of other baits in the tackle box right here, so we can switch on and off. And yeah, so let's switch on the head cam and see what else we catch. And yeah, wish me luck. And we are fishing the exact same canal that we fished last time, so probably the same amount of fish. And one more thing I wanted to say, that it is kind of windy today. Luckily the wind's pushing me that way, so it's going to be like beneficial for me, but I'm not sure how good like you guys could hear me like later in the video, so hopefully it won't get in the way that much. Guys, look, apparently there's like shad popping right here, and there's a freaking shad right here. You guys see that? Guys, look at that. Whoa. That's so cool. It's like, I don't know what the hell this is, but that's cool. You know, we should use this as bait, so should we? Yeah, let's use this as bait. This hook right here, and we're gonna grab the fish and just hook him right through the nose. Right guys, no luck with that little fish, but we are gonna be throwing, we switched to a spinnerbait, a white spinnerbait with these silver spoons, and see if we can catch anything. Nice, guys. Another one. Oh my god, no, people come off. Guys. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, we have a nice snake over here. I really don't want to drop him. This guy's nice. It's probably like a 4.5, 5 pounder, but oh, there he goes. God damn. Guys, nice little bass that's bit at the boat. He's a cool little guy. That's a nice little bass, like chunky, beautiful colors, beautiful, healthy little fat bass. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it for today. We had a really good day. We caught 2 nice fish, nice snakehead, small healthy bass. And yeah, the wind was really annoying and we didn't really get any more bites, so I'm pretty sure that's what affected it. But we will have more kayak fishing videos in the future because they're really fun to make and you guys seem to enjoy them. I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Peace!